Hey there, Excel friends! Ever had a cell with text that just won't fit nicely? Maybe it spills over into the next column, or it gets cut off completely. No worries. I've got 3 super easy ways to fix that and make your data look clean and professional. Let's jump right in. The first and easiest method is using wrap text. And trust me, this is a lifesaver. First, select the cell or cells where the text is overflowing. Now, head over to the Home tab in the ribbon. Look for the Wrap Text button and click it. That's it. Excel will automatically adjust the row height so your text fits neatly within the cell. Super simple, right? But what if you don't want multiple lines and just want the text to shrink instead? That's where method 2 comes in. This method makes sure all the text stays within the cell without wrapping. It just gets a little smaller. Perfect when you need everything in one line. Select your cells again. Right-click and choose Format Cells, or use the shortcut Ctrl+1, way faster. In the Format Cells window, go to the Alignment tab. Check the box for Shrink to Fit, then click OK. Boom. The text now fits inside the cell without wrapping onto multiple lines. Pretty cool, right? But sometimes you want full control over where the text wraps, which brings us to method 3. This method is great when you want to decide exactly where the text should break onto a new line. Double-click inside the cell to edit the text. Click right before the word where you want the break. Press Alt+Enter, and Excel will start a new line at that exact spot. Hit Enter, and you're done. Try it out. This is super useful when formatting headers or descriptions in a neat, readable way. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try all 3 methods on your own. Let me know in the comments which one you find the most useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.